Hey there, number ninjas. Are you tired of just adding numbers like a regular human? Want to level up your Google Sheets game and become a spreadsheet superhero? Well, today we're talking about the SUMSQ function, your new best friend for squaring numbers and summing them up like a boss. But before we dive in, let me hit you with a quick PSA. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Why? Because every time someone subscribes, I do a little happy dance. And trust me, you don't want to miss out on that spectacle. Plus, it keeps me motivated to make more videos instead of just binge-watching cat videos all day. So, hit subscribe, it's free, and it makes me feel loved. Now, back to the math magic. What's SUMSQ? Is it a new energy drink? A secret government project? Nope. It's a Google Sheets function that takes your numbers, squares them, and then adds them all together. It's like giving your data a little math makeover. But wait, why would I even need to square numbers? Am I building a tiny math house? Well, squaring numbers is super useful for things like statistics, analysing data, or just impressing your friends at parties. But what if I don't trust this SUMSQ thing? What if it's secretly plotting against me? Don't worry, it's not Skynet. It's just a super helpful function. Let's test it out. Let's say I want the sum of the squares of all the numbers from A1 to A15. Maybe I'm calculating the total energy of my spreadsheet's math vibes or just trying to impress my boss. Who knows? First, I'll click inside the cell where I want the squared sum to appear. This is where the magic happens, folks. Then I'll type equals SUMSQ, open parentheses, I1 colon A15, close parentheses. Yes, with the equals sign, because Google Sheets needs to know I'm serious. Finally, I'll hit the Enter or Return key, and boom, just like that, the squared sum appears. It's so easy, even your cat could do it. And there you have it. You're now a SUMSQ master. Whether you're crunching numbers for work, school, or just for fun, this function will save you time and make you look like a spreadsheet wizard.